Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials now: GeForce Experience updated, drivers current, and the in-game overlay switched on. Open GeForce Experience and enable highlights for the specific title. This registers save points. Once done, launch the game so highlights can detect events. Make sure to grant microphone and folder permissions if prompted, otherwise automatic clips may be blocked. You're starting the recording pipeline. This step primes the system to capture key gameplay moments without manual recording, all before you play seriously. Now fine-tune recording behavior. In the game's Nvidia Highlights menu, choose which events to capture and set clip length. Short clips reduce storage, longer clips keep more context. Next, verify save paths and audio source priorities so voice and game sound are preserved. Run a controlled test by producing a highlight event, then exit and open the GeForce Experience gallery to confirm the clip. If you see the clip, you're good. If not, recheck overlay and permissions before proceeding to regular play. Finish by letting highlights run in the background and using the manual hotkey for moments you want immediately preserved. After sessions, curate clips in the gallery, trim, rename, and export to editing software or upload directly. If something goes wrong, first restart the in-game overlay and GeForce Experience, then confirm sufficient disk space and the game remains supported. If clips are still missing, toggle highlights off and on, and update drivers. This sequence resolves most capture issues, so you won't lose future highlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.